We are very glad to be today in Pakistan, a dear country to all Saudis, from His Majesty and the youngest Saudi in Saudi Arabia. We've been a brotherly country and friendly country to Pakistan, and we've worked together in tough and good times, and we will continue with the same thing, especially that Pakistan facing really great future today with a great leadership. Last year, 2018, Pakistan GDP grew by 5%. So we believe that Pakistan is going to be a very, very important country in the coming future, and we want to be sure that we are part of that. Today we signed MOUs. We believe the amount of that kind of investment is $20 billion. It's big for phase one, and definitely it's going to grow every month, every year in bigger numbers, and it will be beneficial for both countries. We will work with Pakistan in all of these things, economically, politically, and security, and we will be sure that we are creating amazing, great future for Saudi Arabia and Pakistan and for our region. We believe in our region, that's why we're investing in it, and we believe that we will gonna have one day great Middle East surrounded by Pakistan from the east side. This is my first trip east since I become Crown Prince, and the first country is Pakistan. Thank you.